Are those 8-inch ports?
6.
6. Oh wow, 2 6s. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Hey, can I come in?
This is a...
I literally just got playing.
That's what he was just telling me.
I borrowed a amp from a buddy.
Yeah. What's in here real quick?
2 Crossfire XT3s on a MD 12-10.
Okay. Oh, got it.
And Scar for my mid time.
Wow. Are those 8-inch ports?
6.
6. Oh wow, 2 6s. Nice. Looks good. On everybody, this is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the really quick walk around we got of Anthony's system. He was at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show for this system. I got a really good 5-minute demo of it. Got some good outside flex and some pretty good inside flex. He did say that the subs were pretty much just getting installed for the show, and he had some amplifier issues and he just got the amp installed, so he didn't get everything fine-tuned for this video, so keep in mind that when we get the demo. I like the way he has arrow ports instead of a slot port. It is maybe one of the different alternatives to fit this 2 18-inch subwoofer system in here, but 2 6-inch arrow ports on 12,000 watts. That amp is definitely turned down, so he's not going full throttle, but he is getting the juice for the demo, so did a good job. Give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I didn't get a close-up of the amplifier, but the 12,000 watt amp is underneath of this 4-channel Scar amplifier. And this is a quick shot of what the sub looks like. They are rated at 3,000 watt RMS, so definitely some beefy Crossfire subs. And having the subwoofers up, port up, seems to be pretty optimal with this huge box for this enclosure. I didn't find out what the specs of it were, sorry about that, but we're getting to the demo now. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube. Jacob out, and enjoy.
Go on, man.
cannot be held responsible for broken body panels, windshields, or haters' feelings. You big pussies.
Oh my god, I'm horny.
Hey, somebody grab me some clippers. This fucking man is weird. Tough talk from my rapper families. My security a year. My dad's gon' yeah, right. Dad's always mad cool. You're yelling at the mic. So bored, huh? I'm gonna be 36 years old, dog. Talking about in the corner. You sound like a bitch. Man, I can handle your shit. Man, about something I said in 2012 to 6 years in a surprise album. This. Homie, you get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Fuck that, yeah, I'm the red devil. Black shovel like the Armageddon in the smoke settle. His body next to this instrumental, I'm saying. Sick of the sweat, so some corny ass, let's talk about it. Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of a single dance from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Fucking man is weird. Tough talk from my rapper families for security a year. My dad's gon' right. Dad's always mad cool. You're yelling at the mic. So bored, huh? I know. I'm 46 years old, dog. I'm a call up. You sound like a bitch. Man, I can handle your shit. Mad about something I said in 2012. 6 years in a surprise album. Homie, you get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Fuck my god, I'm the black devil. Black shovel like the Armageddon in the smoke settle. His body next to this instrumental, I'm saying. Sick of the sweat, some corny ass, let's talk about it. Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of a single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Oh, we need your bully, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for letting me hear it. Somebody else wants to hear it, so. Alright. What was your name? Anthony. Anthony. Thank you, Anthony. Jacob.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.